Hello, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well, and you all are studying well at home and doing your works properly regarding all the different subjects. In the first class of your English CB, we have only given you a PDF form, but we didn't go through the chapter properly, the reading and the explanation part. So today we are going to start with the reading part and also with the explanation part. Let's go through the first page. The story starts with the title Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride. One day, Rat and Mole went to meet their friend Toad. Toad was sitting in the garden and welcomed them warmly. Hooray! You are just the friends I wanted to see. It is about rowing your new boat, I suppose. Oh, boo! Boating? It's a silly waste of time. I gave that up long ago. I have found the real thing. Come with me to the stable yard and see. Toad led them to the stable yard and showed them a bright yellow carriage. There's a real life for you in that little carriage. Travel, change, excitement. So it is about three friends, that is a rat, a mole and a toad. So one day, Rat and Mole went to meet their friend Toad. And Toad was sitting in the garden and he welcomed them warmly and he was very excited to see them. Then the rat said that I know you are excited because it is about the rowing of your new boat. I think so. Then Toad said, no, rowing a boat is just a silly waste of time. In fact, I have got something exciting things for you all to see. Let's go to the stable yard. And he showed his friends a bright yellow carriage. And then he said, see, this is called real life, where you can travel, you can have excitements, adventure, and all. Now, page number 6. Why don't we go for a ride this afternoon? I'm not coming. But Rat, it might be fun. Come on, Rat. I only want you fellows to have fun. Finally, Rat agreed to go for the ride. The three friends drove through the town. Toad was proud of his carriage. Passers-by stopped and greeted them. Oh my, what a beautiful carriage. Good day, Mr. Toad. So, Toad asked his friends to go for a ride in the afternoon, but Rat said that he doesn't want to go. Mole said, let's go, Rat. It will be a fun. And Toad also asked his friends to have fun with him. So Rat finally agreed and all the three friends, they went on the carriage and went through the town. When Toad was passing through the town along with his friends, he was very proud of his carriage, and all the passers-by, that means all the animals that were waiting there, were looking at them and greeting them. One rabbit said, hello and good day, Mr. Toad, and his partner said, such a beautiful carriage. Page 7. Suddenly, they heard a vroom vroom sound behind them. A motor car sped past them, leaving a cloud of dust. It upset the carriage. Hey, can't you see and drive? The carriage fell into a ditch. Rat was angry. I will complain to the police. But Toad seemed to be under a spell. He had found a new interest. What a glorious sight! What a magnificent thing! What do we do with him? Nothing. When he likes something, he thinks of nothing else for some time. So when they were going around, suddenly they heard a vroom vroom sound coming behind them. And then a motor car was going and it was running in a very fast speed, and it made the carriage full of dust. And all of them shouted, "Hey, can't you see and drive?" Then the carriage fell off, and the rat was very angry and he said that I will complain to the police. But Toad, he seemed to be under a spell, that means under a magic of looking at the car, and he got a new interest and he said, "What a glorious sight and what a magnificent thing. I want a thing like that too." Then Mole said what to do with him. Rat said that nothing, it's just useless, because if he finds interest on something, then for some time he won't think anything else apart from that. Page number 8. "Look, Toad, you have to go to the police station and file a complaint against the driver." "Police station? Complain? Me complain about that wonderful motor car? Never. You see, he is quite hopeless. I give up. We can't leave him here." "Fine, but I will never go on a trip with Toad again." So the rat said to Toad that he must go to the police station and file a complaint against a driver for driving so fast. But Toad said that he is never going to the police station to complain about that beautiful car. Rat got more angry and he said to Mole that, "Look, he's just hopeless. There is nothing. I give up." And Mole said, "But still we cannot leave him here. He's our friend." Then Rat said, "Okay, fine, we will take him, but I promise that I am never going to go on a trip again with him, and you are not going to force me again." So that was the story. We should be kind to our friends, and we should sometimes listen to our friend because they give us good knowledge, or you can say they give us good advice. They will never say anything bad for us. So listen to your friends, and we should never be proud of anything else apart from our knowledge and apart from our family and friends that we have. We should not be proud that we have lots of money or we can buy expensive things and all. So that was the story. I hope all of you have understood it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.